Hi, sweet friends, welcome back. You might have noticed that I haven't uploaded a video in a little over a week. Well, we went on vacation, and during that time, I just chose to unplug and enjoy family time and just relax. So now I am excited to be back. We're going to be headed outside, and I'm going to be sharing some minimal ideas that you can use to increase your curb appeal. So I hope that you're looking forward to today's video. If you are new, hello, my name is Amy, and welcome. So here on my channel, I do like to share all things home decor and home decorating. So if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, I'd love if you would consider subscribing. All right, well guys, we'll go ahead, head outside and get to work. I hope you enjoy. Before we start today, let's take a quick look back. If you remember, earlier this spring, we gave our front porch a little refresh and added some cute Easter accents. One of my favorite additions was this rattan planter from HomeGoods. It's still one of my favorite finds. I also tucked in these faux ferns, which look incredibly realistic and require zero maintenance, which is a total win. Since I'm still loving this arrangement, we're going to keep it as is as we move into summer. We also brought in a few cozy pillows to give the space a warm, welcoming touch. Eventually, I ended up moving those to our swivel chairs on the back deck, and they look great there. So a little later today, we'll be switching things up just a bit by adding a couple of new pillow covers to give the porch a fresh summer-ready look. There's no need for a complete makeover. Just a few simple touches will add instant curb appeal and breathe new life into the space. First things first, I'll be swapping out this neutral spring wreath for a more vibrant summer one. But before we hang it up, one of the easiest and most important ways to boost your home's curb appeal is to start with a clean space. Lately, the pollen in our area has been everywhere, so I'm going to begin by spraying down the door with an all-purpose cleaner and polish the glass. Not only does this make everything look fresh and well-maintained, but it also allows your seasonal decor, like that bright new wreath, to really shine. A clean surface creates a perfect backdrop, so your updates don't get overshadowed by dust, smudges, or grime. It's a small step that makes a big impact. The wreath that I'm using to brighten up the space is actually one I've used before. This will be the third summer, in fact. It's held up beautifully over time and still looks just as vibrant as the day I bought it. The quality is truly amazing. I'll be sure to link it for you if it's still available, along with any other items I decorate with today down in the description box. To really elevate your curb appeal, I love adding a touch of personality and sometimes even something a little unexpected. Adding the metal wall art on the siding next to the front door draws your eye upward and naturally leads you towards the entrance. And this is a fun way to create a more inviting and visually interesting space. Also, switching out your doormats for something a little bit more fresh for the summer or any season is a great way to add that beautiful curb appeal. I think displaying summer flowers is a must, whether they're faux or real. I love planting a mix of different flowers in hanging pots for a cheerful, welcoming touch. Now, one tip I have when planning your hanging basket is to place it inside another slightly larger ground pot. This helps stabilize it and keeps it from rocking back and forth and tipping over while you're planting. Such a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference. Adding little unique touches like this not only helps your porch feel more styled and intentional, but it also makes the process more enjoyable. I really love watching the plants grow and fill in throughout the summer. It's always fun to experiment with different varieties each year and see what thrives and what doesn't. I'd love to hear what's your favorite floral combinations during summer. Let me know down in the comments. Here's another simple but often overlooked tip. Don't forget to clean your windows. Sparkling windows instantly boost your curb appeal and make the whole entryway feel brighter and more polished. I like to use the Sprayway glass cleaner. It's my favorite for a streak-free finish. It's a small detail, but it really makes a big impact, especially when the sunlight hits just right. So after I got that window done, I wanted to quickly share with you. Remember I had hung this really pretty rattan birdhouse. Well, if you look real close, there is a little bit of a nest that has started down in there. You can't really see it, but I think they stopped and flew away, and I think it was the bluebirds. So I don't know. I'm hoping that they come back. But over here, we have a little visitor. You might see him in the window. It's my son's cat. He's staying with us just for a bit. And Nyla and him have made friends, so we are super happy about that. But that is Yuki. Anyway, after polishing the windows and wiping down the shutters and railing, I'm going to go ahead and center the rockers on the porch. Now, when I know it's going to rain, I usually pull them closer to the brick to help protect them from getting wet. You'll also see that I'm keeping the lumbar pillows that I picked up from at home. I just love these. The sage green color and the subtle print are so pretty, and they help tie in the little bird theme I'm going for out here on the front porch. And instead of using the tray this time, I'm keeping it simple by adding another flower pot for a relaxed summer vibe. To help the plant look fuller and encourage more blooms, I'm going to go ahead and deadhead the flowers. If you're not familiar with that term, it simply means removing the spent or faded blooms. This step not only keeps your plants looking neat and tidy, but it also redirects the plant's energy into producing new flowers instead of trying to maintain the old ones. It's such a quick and easy way to keep your summer plants thriving and looking their best all season long, which helps to promote that good curb appeal. Next, I'm adding some comfy pillows to the sofa. I found the floral block print pillows and the striped lumbar covers on Amazon. I absolutely love them. I really enjoy coordinating my home's color palette from the inside out. I think it creates a refreshing and intentional look and design that feels cohesive and welcoming. If you're looking for even more summer porch decor ideas, I'll link last year's video after today's so you can continue watching. Now let's move on to the front landscaping. On one side of the stairs, I'm adding this bronze copper metal birdhouse stake. You might remember it from a haul that I shared with you in a previous video. I love the contrast it adds against all the greenery. It also serves as the third bird element out here, helping it to really emphasize the bird theme. It's a small detail, but it adds so much charm and personality to the space. Now, to the opposite side, I'm adding these gorgeous garden stepping stones to create an obvious pathway from the walk to the yard and to visually tie both sides of the landscape together. To finish things off and add even more curb appeal, we're installing these beautiful solar pathway lights, and I'm super excited about them. They come in a set of 6 and feature an upgraded LED filament. They are a little bit longer and thicker, making them brighter and more durable than your average solar lights. I found these off of Wayfair. They give off a warm white glow that provides a 360 illumination, creating such a romantic and inviting atmosphere along the garden and walkway. Be sure to stick around. I'll show you a night shot so you can see the warm glow and how they really bring the space to life after dark. What's really neat is they do come in those 3 adjustable height levels. At about 22 inches tall at their largest, they're a bit higher than most, which helps them stand out beautifully in the landscape. You can customize the look or even switch things up seasonally for a fresh update. They're also waterproof, durable, and super easy to install. No wiring or screws needed. Just place them where they'll get direct sunlight and they'll automatically turn on at night and off during the day. These lights are such a perfect blend of function and charm and will definitely up our curb appeal, especially in the evenings. Also, if you haven't checked out the other videos in my outdoor summer series, I'll go ahead and have them linked down below so you can take a look. Well, friends, that about wraps up today's front porch and landscaping refresh. I hope this video gave you some simple ideas to help add curb appeal to your own home this summer. It's amazing what a few thoughtful touches can do to make your space feel more welcoming and put together. I'll leave you with some final shots so you can see how everything came together. If you have enjoyed today's video, I'd appreciate a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are new, I'd love to have you back. As always, as we end our time together, I'd love to share a daily Bible verse. Today's verse comes from Psalm 90, verse 17. Let the favor of the Lord our God be upon us, and establish the work of our hands upon us. Yes, establish the work of our hands. I thank you all so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy spending some time with me today, and I will see you real soon in my next one. Take care and God bless, friends. Bye.